I think you have given your exam very well, and today we will discuss your solution of today's test. Now, first question was multiple choice question. Dash causes tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, short form of tuberculosis is TB. So, four options were given here: bacterium, virus, protozoa, and fungus. So, which one will be the correct option? Bacterium. Bacterium or bacteria causes tuberculosis. You know that it is not caused by virus. Virus is responsible for the disease like AIDS. Okay? And protozoa are responsible for malaria, dengue, all this. And fungus are responsible for fungal infections. So the correct option of it is bacterium. Bacterium causes tuberculosis. Then next question is, algae show dash mode of nutrition as they can prepare their own food. So you know that those who prepare their own food, they are called autotrophs, and it will show autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so algae will show autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, trophic means nourishment. The organisms which are not dependent on other, they prepare their food themselves, are called autotrophs, and they will show autotrophic nutrition. Okay, now what is heterotrophic? Heterotrophic means the organisms which are dependent on others for their food, like we. And non-green plants, they all comes under heterotrophic nutrition. And holozoic is the part of heterotrophic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, any solid substance is taken and digested by enzymes. That type of nutrition is called holozoic nutrition. Human being and amoeba usually show holozoic nutrition, and they comes under heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, now next third question, dash help to form curd. You know that milk get converted to curd in the presence of a bacteria, and the name of that bacteria is lactobacillus. Yes, lactobacillus. LACTO, lactobacillus. BACILLUS. And can you name the glucose present in milk? Yes, lactose. LALTOSE. Lactose is the glucose present inside the milk. So the correct answer of your question number 3 is lactobacillus is the bacteria which help the milk to be converted into curd. Now fourth question, dash help in preventing disease such as hepatitis and measles. So which one is correct? Option here, it will be vaccine. VACCINES. Vaccines help in preventing disease like hepatitis and measles. Okay. Now fifth question, what is fermentation? Fermentation is a process in which any fruit juice or glucose is converted into alcohol or acid in the absence of oxygen. Fermentation is the process in which any glucose or fruit juice can be converted into alcohol and acid in the absence of oxygen by anaerobic bacteria. Okay. Then next question is, why we should maintain proper hygiene? Yes, very good question it is, that why we should maintain hygiene, or why we should take proper care of our body and proper cleanliness of our body and other things, those who involve infection, why we should avoid it. Why? To avoid the communicable disease or the infectious disease. As you all know, communicable disease means the disease which can be easily communicate from unhealthy person to healthy person. If we are not keeping the care of our proper hygiene, then we can easily get in the range of infectious disease. Okay. Now the last question is, how does rhizobium help in improving soil fertility? Rhizobium, you all of you know that it is nitrogen fixing bacteria which help in the fixing of nitrogen, and all leguminous plant contain root nodules in their roots, isn't it? And what will happen in their roots? The rhizobium bacteria stay there and fix nitrogen for the plant. You know that the atmospheric nitrogen cannot be used by plant in the same direct form. So it will convert nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite, and then the plants can easily use it as a macronutrient. And what will happen to the algae? They show symbiotic relationship. The nitrogen fixing bacteria and algae both live together in the root nodule. The algae prepare food for it, and the rhizobium will get shelter in the roots of this leguminous plant. So I think the answers are clear to you and you have done well. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.